Your cat is a dignified roommate. You, however, are still on scooper duty. Let's fix that. In our video to the best self-cleaning cat litter boxes, we'll sift through sensors, rakes, rotating drums, odor control, and app alerts so you can spend less time shoveling and more time chin scratching. From compact condos to multi-cat fortresses, we'll help you pick a box that's quiet, reliable, and nose-friendly. Because royalty deserves a throne, and you deserve a scoop-free kingdom. Today, no scooping. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, our pick for best budget self-cleaning cat litter box. If you're ready to ditch scooping without ditching your budget, the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro is your low-fuss, hoodless hero. Motion sensors kick in after your cat's royal visit, raking waste into the covered trap so you handle less mess and a lot fewer "why does it smell like that" moments. You'll love how clean it keeps things. Crystal litter works over time, absorbing liquids fast and dehydrating solids to lock down odors before they start. Low-tracking crystals mean fewer crunchy surprises under your socks, and the leak-proof disposable tray makes swaps a two-step routine. Slide the old one out, slide a new one in, done. You're not just staying tidy, you're staying informed. The built-in health counter tracks box visits so you can spot patterns early. More trips than usual? Fewer? You'll catch the trend and check in with the vet if something seems off. It's quiet peace of mind for everyday cat care. Hoodless also means easy access for picky felines who hate tight spaces, plus a clearer view for you to see litter levels at a glance. You want a fresher home, a cleaner floor, and a litter routine that doesn't steal your time. ScoopFree Crystal Pro delivers automatic cleaning, better odor control, and smart tracking, all in a sleek, open design your cat will actually use. Set it, forget it, and get back to the important stuff, like head scratches and snack negotiations. Number 4. PetKit PuraMax, our pick for best extra-large capacity self-cleaning cat litter box. If your cat thinks personal space means king-sized everything, the PetKit PuraMax says, your throne awaits. You get a roomy 76-liter interior that's comfy for cats up to 18 pounds, plus an extra-large waste container that can buy you up to 15 glorious scoop-free days. The 20 centimeters low entry is kind on senior joints, short legs, and post-nap wobblers. Quick heads up, it's best for cats 3.3 to 17.6 pounds and not for kittens under 6 months. You want safety on autopilot. The X-Secure system layers infrared and weight sensors with smart detection and remote alerts, then pauses instantly if your cat approaches or the weight shifts mid-cycle. You also get full command from your phone. Connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and use the PetKit app to track weight, visit frequency, time spent, and litter capacity. Multi-cat home. The app can sort data by individual cat based on weight, so you actually know who's doing what and how often. Smells? Handled. The included N50 odor eliminator breaks down stink at the source, while a silicone-sealed waste bin lid keeps scents contained where they belong. You're after more space, less chore, and smarter insights. PuraMax delivers big comfort for your cat, long breaks between cleanouts for you, and data that makes pet care feel effortless. Still searching for the perfect self-cleaning cat litter box? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CATLINK Self-Cleaning, our pick for best app-connected self-cleaning litter box. If you want a self-cleaning litter box that does the dirty work without dragging you into a tech setup, CATLINK's got your back. After your feline steps out, the rolling sifter separates clumps from clean litter, while the smart screen design helps you use less litter overall. The Jumbo 13-liter waste drawer buys you up to 15 days before changing a liner, so you can spend more time on chin scratches and less on scooping. You care about safety? and so does this box. An integrated system of self-detection, gravity, and anti-pinch sensors, plus a ventilated inverted triangle stable build, pauses operation the moment a curious whisker gets too close. Your cat stays safe. Your nerves stay calm. You'll notice the nose-friendly upgrades too. Pair the optional rechargeable odor purifier with the built-in carbon filter to tackle smells, formaldehyde and ammonia included, with a removal rate of 90% or more. A raised litter barrier at the entrance helps keep granules inside, so your floors don't feel like a beach. You also get the rarest feature in smart gadgets: simplicity. No Wi-Fi, no app, no pairing rituals. It arrives fully assembled. Open the box, plug it in, add litter, and let it get to work. You want fewer chores, fresher air, and a cat throne that runs itself. This CATLINK delivers efficient sifting, generous capacity, thoughtful safety, and low-mess exits. Hands-freed, home happier. Number 2. Neakasa M1. Our pick for best open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. If your cat prefers open skies and you prefer zero scooping drama, the Neakasa M1 makes both of you happy. Its open-top design feels natural and welcoming, so even big or cautious cats step in without a stare-down. You get real-life convenience too. With a roomy 7.17-liter litter capacity and an 11.23-liter waste bin, the M1 can run up to 14 days without you lifting a finger. Perfect for busy weeks or short trips. Multi-cat home, you're covered from tiny 2.2-pound kittens to 33-pound chonks who refuse to count calories. One smart box, all sizes welcome. Safety isn't a maybe, it's built in. 5 pairs of infrared sensors plus 4 weight sensors keep watch, pausing operation the moment a curious paw interrupts. That means peace of mind while your cat keeps their dignity. You also get full control from your phone. The Neakasa app lets you monitor visits, track litter levels, and nudge cleaning modes without kneeling on the bathroom floor. It's easy oversight that actually saves time. You want comfort for your cat, less work for you, and a setup that feels clean, open, and reliable. The M1 delivers stress-free access, long stretches between maintenance, multi-cat flexibility, smart safety, and app smarts that keep you connected. So the only thing left on your to-do list is ear scratches. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot 4, our pick for best self-cleaning cat litter box overall. If scooping litter ranks right beside doing taxes on your fun scale, the Whisker Litter-Robot 4 is your ticket to retiring the scooper for good. This automatic self-cleaning litter box uses a patented sifting cycle to separate waste from clean litter, then tucks the clumps into a sealed drawer. Your job? Empty it when it's full and bask in the sweet scoop-free life. You're also getting brains with the brawn. Fire up the Whisker app to monitor litter and waste levels in real time, check box activity, and even track your cat's weight after each visit. Handy for keeping tabs on health without playing detective. It works with your favorite clumping litter, so no weird pellets or subscription traps. Smell Patrol is covered. The automatic clean cycle plus odor trap packs slash that litter box aroma, while better containment helps cut down on tracking. Multi-cat household? You're set for up to 4 feline overlords. Each cat needs to be at least 3 pounds to use automatic mode safely, and for the most accurate weight readings, keep the unit on a firm, level surface, not a plush rug or wobbly mat. You want cleaner, smarter, lower effort litter duty. Litter-Robot 4 delivers less mess, less guesswork, and more time for the important stuff, like head scratches and lap naps. Whew! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best self-cleaning cat litter box. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which self-cleaning cat litter box you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.